Malachi, the final prophet of the Old Testament, delivered a powerful and urgent message to the people of Israel. Living in a time of spiritual decay and disillusionment, Malachi confronted a nation that had grown weary in its faith. The people had returned from exile, rebuilt the temple, and restored their worship practices, but their hearts had drifted far from God. Through Malachi, God rebuked the priests for their corrupt offerings and the people for their lack of reverence. He condemned their broken promises in marriage and their apathy toward divine justice. Yet, Malachi's message wasn't just about judgment. It was a call to renewal, a plea for the people to return to God with sincere hearts. One of the most striking aspects of Malachi's prophecy was his focus on the future. He foretold of a messenger who would prepare the way for the Lord, a figure Christians recognize as John the Baptist. Malachi also pointed to a day of reckoning, a time when God would purify his people and bring ultimate justice. In the closing verses of the Old Testament, Malachi leaves us with a promise: the coming of the Son of Righteousness, bringing healing and restoration for those who fear God. And then, silence, a 400-year gap, until the voice of John the Baptist broke through, heralding the arrival of the Messiah. Malachi's words continue to resonate, reminding us of the enduring call to faithfulness, hope, and trust in God's ultimate plan. His prophecy wasn't just the end of an era, it was the beginning of a story fulfilled in Jesus Christ.